1947 Bentley Frenet, lot number 723, because it's time to roll it up on the auction block.
Folks, make room on the stage. Auction continues.
This particular car, once again, based on a 1947 Bentley Mark VI, but the coach work done by Frenet after World War II with the goal to show that the French coachmaker could build the best, that they had recovered from the war, and they were ready to show what they could do in France.
1947 Bentley Mark VI, coach works by Frenet.
Now, there's no question you're buying the car here, not the man, but we can't talk about this car without talking about its owner, Gary Wales. Gary is kind of the modern-day Bentley boy. He's a Renaissance man. He's a very flamboyant gentleman. He shepherded this car throughout the last 15 or 16 years, done a fabulous restoration on it. It's won more than 50 major awards. It was a class winner at Pebble Beach when it was first restored some 15 years ago. It's certainly one of only one. There have been a couple of different die-cast models of it. It's, like Gary, a wonderfully flamboyant design, as only the French could do at the time. I'm quite frankly very surprised that he is selling this car. What's it worth? We're going to find out. Fasten your seatbelts.
In fact, I was with him on Thursday when he got a phone call from an English dealer saying, "You're kidding me, you're selling this no reserve?" And he said, "You know what? The market's going to determine what this car is worth. I'm letting it go."
This is a car of international importance here.
It shows the breadth of the offerings here at the Barrett-Jackson auction. We can go from Hemi-Cuda clones to the only Frenet-bodied Bentley in the world. This car embodies elegance. It's like Pebble Beach suddenly rolling into South Florida. If you look inside the car, you'll see a die-cast model of this very car sitting right in the center of the car.
Spanky, if we can interrupt for just a moment. Absolutely. We've got the man who can tell us all about this car and all about several cars coming up.
And we talked about Gary Wales. He literally rescued this car back in 1990.
Mr. Wales, we'd like to hear from you about this machine.
Thank you very much. 27 years ago, I acquired this from Lauren Tryon, the gentleman that put on Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. And it took 10 years to acquire all the bits and the pieces for it. And then it was fun to put it together. Spent 2 years. I assembled a team of experts headed up by Kent Fuller, who is a 2 times Hall of Fame winner in hot rods and an absolutely fantastic fabricator. And when we got the car, it had been sans of all vestiges of chrome whatsoever. So Mr. Fuller handmade every piece of shiny on this car unless it's round. It's absolutely fantastic. We took the car to every literally nut and bolt off and finished it. I'd taken a deposit from a gentleman for $1.2 million, and I had said that I would deliver this car in Concours condition. We went to Pebble Beach with this car. We won first in class. We won the French Cup. And then it was announced several times that we'd missed Best of Show by 1/10 of 1 point, the smallest amount in history of Pebble Beach Concours. I was devastated, and a little later on, Mr. Tryon came over to me and explained that on their watch, no post-war car would ever win Best of Show at Pebble Beach, and they haven't yet. Fortunately for me, it was the Rolls National Meet, and we showed it there, and we won Best of Show at the Rolls National. And then from there, we were invited to Essen Motor Show. We were the star of Essen Motor Show in Germany. And from that, we've done 50 major awards around the world, and I think it's the winningest classic car in time. By the way, the gentleman did come back and send the other $4.6 million and his friend decided he needed the money more than I did. So, let's sell the car. Time to go
in the skybox. I'm at 7. I'm at 607. I'm at 607 to be in 7 to 5 to 7 to 7 $600,000 $700,000. I'm at 607 to be in 7 to 5 to 7 to 700. I'm at 600 700. I'm at 607 to be in 7 to 5 to 7 to $700,000. I'm at 650. I'm at 600 650. I'm at 600,000 $650,000.
Craig Jackson has a phone bidder he's working up in the skybox.
650. I'm at 600,000 $650,000. But get 50. But get 50. But get 50. But get 650. I'm at 650. I'm at 600,000. Money's in the skybox. 650. I'm gonna get 650. I'm at $650,000. But get 50 going once. $600,000, $650,000. I'm gonna get $650. I'm at $650,000. David to get that. 625's the bid. Now 650 in the skybox, and now 675. I'm at 675. I'm at 675. 675 at the honor. 675. Now 700. I'm at 700. I'm at 700 down dollar. David I'm at 750. I'm at 750. I'm at 750. I'm at 700. 7 high. I'm at 750. I'm at 700. 750. I'm at 7 high. 7 high. I'm at 750. I'm at 700. 750. I'm at 700. 7 high. I'm at 750. I'm at 750. I'm gonna get 700. 750. I'm gonna get 700. 7 high. I'm gonna get high. $750,000. I'm gonna get 750. I'm gonna get 750. I'm gonna get 7 high. 7 high. I'm gonna get 750. I'm gonna get $750,000. Here we go. I'm gonna get 750. I'm at 7 high. 7 high. I'm gonna get 750. 7 high. 7 high. Yes, Kurt.
It's the winningest classic car in history is what this boils down to, folks. It's won 50 major awards worldwide. And if I understand correctly, it's eligible for any and all Concours d'Elegance events in the world. Is that correct, sir? Absolutely correct. So you're good to go. You're eligible to compete. Last time it changed hands. It changed hands, Spanky, for $5.8 million.
I'm gonna 750. I'm gonna 7 high. 7 high. I'm gonna get 750. I'm gonna get 750. I'm gonna get 725, Clint. 725.
How about 710, Colonel?
710, 725, I would have been 750, I would have been 35, I would have been 735, I would have been 735, I would have been 730, I would have been 25, 35, I'm gonna get 735, I'm gonna get 50, I would have been 750, I would have been 750, I'm at 70, 75, I'm at 775, I would have been 8, I would have $800,000, I would have get 800,000, I would have 800,000, I would have get 800,000, I would have $800,000, I would have get paid, I would have get $800,000. I would have $800,000. I would have $800,000. Ladies and gentlemen, if you help us, it may bring $1 million. I'm only asking 800. Now 850. I would have 850. I would have 850. I would have 850. I would have Tim, you're out. I would have 850. I would have 800.
He's referring to Tim Asseter, the bidding assistant to the skybox, holding up his hand.
825 is bid. 850,000. I would have been 25. I would have get 50. I would have 850. I would have been 825. I would have $50,000. I would have paid 50. I would have 850. I would have been 825. I would have been $50,000. I would have been 850. 850. 850. He would have been. I would have get 25. 50.
Not just a car, Spanky. It is truly rolling sculpture. Look at the machine. Consider its history. Rolling sculpture, as Mr. Wales said, on a sea of tranquility.
825, I would have 850. I would have $850,000. He would get 25. I would have get $50,000. He would have been 50. 850. 850. 850. 850. I would have been 825. I would have get 850. 800. 835. 850. 850. I would have been 35. I would get 50. I would have been 830. 50. 75. 875.
It's feeling that guy in the skybox really wants this.
875. I would have been 875. I would have been 875. I would have been 850. 875 would have honor. I would have been 875. 850. 875. I would have been 75. I would have been 875. I would have been 850. 875. What are you gonna do? 875. 875. 875. 875. 875. 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, 875, It's 75. It's 75. It's 75. But again, 9. But again, 9. But again, 900.
Getting into it now. They're smelling $1 million.
But again, 900. But again, 9 to be 9 to 5. But again, 9. But again, 900. Down 25. But again, 925. 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 But again, 25.
Quite simply, folks, if you demand the best in the world, this is it. Right here, right now, absolutely the best. Spanky.
And 900 bid. I would have been 925. I would have been 900. 925. I would have been 5. I would have been 925. I would have been 925. I would have been 100. I would have been 925. I would have been 5. 925. I would have been 900. 25. I would have been 5. I would have been 5. I would have been 925. I would have been 925. I would have been 910. 910. 910. I would have been 25. And 50. I would have been 950. I would have been 25. 50. I would have been 920. Now wait a minute. Now hang on. Hang on. I had 900 in the skybox. I've got 910 there. I've got 925 on the phone. Everybody here in the audience is out. 925, 950. I'm gonna 925, 50. I'm gonna 925, 50. I'm gonna get $950,000. I'm gonna get 925, 50. Now a million. I'm gonna $1 million. I'm gonna 951.
They're getting close to $1 million for this thing.
$1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. I'm gonna 950. Here to get one. Here to get one. I'm gonna one. I'm gonna get one. $1 million is bid. And $1 million. I'm gonna get $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million is bid. $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. Here I'm gonna get $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. Here I'm gonna get $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. I'm gonna $1 million. Here I'm gonna get $1,100,000. I'm gonna get $1,000,000.
Remember, this is the record from last year that Howard Hughes Buick Roadmaster for Palm Beach, which sold at $1.62 million. That includes the commissions that were involved. Now we're up to $1.1 million. It is Bentley Frenay.
You're about to hurt this old country boy, sir. Give $1.2 million. Roll it away. $1.1 million. $1.2 million. $1.1 million. $1.2 million. $1,150,000. Is that the bid?
Tim Assiter swinging his coat up in the skybox, letting them know that his man is in.
Now $1.2 million. I'm at $1.2 million. I'm at $1.2 million. 152. 152. $1.2 million. $1.2 million. $1,250,000 is bid.
Steve Davis got a bidder on the phone. It's like he wants to try and deliver a knockout punch.
Car is moving slowly off the block. They're trying to crank up the volume.
Now 50. I'm at $1.350,000. I'm at $1.350,000. I'm at $1.350,000. I'm at $1.350,000. $1,350,000. I'm at $1.350,000. $1,350,000.
Mr. Wales, $1.3 million, asking for $1,350,000. What do you think?
Well, it's got the restoration taken care of. Now you want to buy the car.
All right.
This is the finest car in the world. You'll never get another chance with it. It will win anything. When your competitors see you pull in, half of them push their cars back up in the other trailer. The rest go, oh, thanks. We needed that. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Now hang on. No mistakes. I had Tim at $1.3 million. I knew having $1.4 million. I understand. $1.3 million was there. I got $1,400,000 bid. And $1.5 million.
Steve Davis saying, my man's the guy.
$1.5 million. $1.5 million. $1.5 million. $500. $1.5 million. $500 million. $5 million. $5 million. $5 million.
Yes.
$1 million. That's $1.5
That
million,
equals
ladies and gentlemen.
what the Howard Hughes car actually gavelled at, $1.5 million. So they're equal to where they were at last year with that Howard Hughes car. I got to think Steve Davis, man, may step up again.
$1.6 million. $1 million. $600,000. $1 million. $1 million. $1 million. $1 million. $1 million. $1,600,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700,000. $1,700, seven. I'm at 6-7. I'm at $1,000,007. I'm at $1,000,007. I'm at 607. Beers. I'm at $1,000,007. 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 1,700,000. You want it? Is he all done? We'll give you a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. 1,060,000 bid. 1,007,500,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I sold that automobile. $1,600,000 on the phone.
And that is a new Palm Beach record. $1.6 million for that 1947. The Bentley Mark VI, coachwork by Frenet. Spectacular automobile, looks gorgeous. Has won more than its fair share of shows, has great lineage. And it just found a new owner at $1.6 million plus commissions.